So if you put here, you get sine pi by 4 plus pi by 4 minus 1 by log sine 2 into pi by 4, which is what, sine pi by 4 plus sine, sine pi by 4 plus pi by 4 is sine pi by 2 minus 1 divided by log sine pi by 2, right? This is what, sine pi by 2 is 1. So 1 minus 1 by log 1, which is 0 by 0, right? So this is what, 0 by 0 form. Okay, given limit. Okay, so we'll apply L'Hospital's rule. Now I'll differentiate directly. Okay, I will not write ddx. First exercise I wrote ddx, but now I won't write.
Okay, sir.
So sine pi x plus pi by 4, derivative is, the differentiation is cos x plus pi by 4 into the ddx of x plus pi by 4, which is 1 minus 0. ddx of 1 is 0 divided by log sine 2x is 1 by sine 2x into the ddx of sine 2x is 2 cos 2x, right? So what are you getting? Limit x tends to, let me write L'Hospital rule at least. L'Hospital rule. Okay, which is equal to
Okay, sir.
limit x tends to pi by 4. If you simplify this, you get cos x plus pi by 4 divided by 2 cos 2x by sine 2x, which is 2 cot 2x, right? Now let's check once again. Cos pi
Yes.
by 4 plus pi by 4 divided by 2 cot 2 into pi by 4. So we get cos pi by 2 divided by 2 cot pi by 2. Okay. Now cos pi by 2 is how much? 0. And cot pi by 2 is how much? 1 by tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 is what? 1 by 0. Which means what? Infinity by infinity. You understood this? Tell me whether you understood this step or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me. Cos pi by 2 by 2 by tan pi by 2. Which is cos pi by 2 is 0. And this is 2 by 0.
Sir, the screen is not sharing.
That means infinity by infinity form. So this is clearly infinity by infinity form. Okay. Limit x tends to pi by 4 cos, again differentiate, minus sine x plus pi by 4 divided by 2 cot 2x is minus 2 cosec square 2x into ddx 2x, which is 2. So this becomes limit x tends to pi by 4, minus minus cancel off this sign. So you get sine x plus pi by 4 divided by 4 cosec square 2x. Okay. So again you put x is equal to pi by 4 and check. Sine pi by 2, pi by 4 plus pi by 4 divided by 4 cosec square 2 into pi by 4. So here you get sine pi by 2. Okay. and in the denominator you get 4 cosec square pi by 2, right? And how much is sine pi by 2? It is 1. And cosec square pi by 2 is 1 by sine square pi by 2. And what is sine square sine pi by 2? It is 1. So 1 into 1 divided by 1 by 1 plus 1 square, which is simply 1 by 4. So we are getting a determinate form. You write here, I forgot to write, you write here L Hospitals. Okay. So what do you get? Sine pi by 4 plus pi by 4 divided by 4 cosec square 2 into pi by 4. So this is sine pi by 2 divided by 4 cosec square pi by 2, which you have already worked out in the rough to be 1 by 4. Any questions? No question?
No, sir.
Govinda, you can see the screen now. Is this
Sir,
stuck in
I
the
can see the screen now.
limit x tends to 0, e to the power of x minus e to the power of minus x minus 2 log 1 plus x divided by x sin x. Okay, this one. Let's check here.
Okay, sir.
What form this is? Let's check. Put x is equal to 0, e to the power of 0 minus e to the power of 0 minus twice log 1 plus 0 divided by
Yes.
0 into sine 0. So this is what?
Yes,
1
sir.
minus 1 minus log 1 is 2 into log 1 by 0 minus 0. So this is 1 minus 1 minus, copied the question correctly. Twice log 1 plus some mistake. Just check, Govinda, you have your textbook.
Yes, sir.
Just check this question, whether this question is there is a if I have written the correct signs, because I am seeing the signs are okay. Whether there is a plus
Sir,
or minus sign.
Sir, yes, sir, correct.
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem. Log 1 is 0. Yes.
Sums is
No
correct.
problem. No problem. So this is 0 by 0. So this is
Okay, sir.
0 by 0 form. Okay, now you start differentiating. Limit x tends to 0, e to the power of x, ddx e to the power of x is e to the power of x, minus ddx e to the power of minus x is minus e to the power of minus x, minus twice log, you take 2 out of the differentiation. If you differentiate log 1 plus x, you get 1 by 1 plus x, isn't it? Now you multiply 2 with 1, you simply get 2 on top, right? And ddx of 1 plus x is 1 divided by
Yes,
x
sir.
sin x. You differentiate this by u into v
Yes,
naught.
sir.
First x into ddx of sin x, which is cos x. Okay, plus sin x into ddx of x is 1.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm picking up speed. Okay, now I'm doing directly. I hope you're able
Okay,
to
sir.
understand. Okay, now
Okay,
because
sir.
now I'm skipping steps
Yes, I am understanding.
because now I'm assuming that you have reached a certain level. Okay,
Okay, sir.
e to the power of x plus e to the power of minus x minus 2 by 1 plus x divided by x cos x plus sin x. Okay, so this is what limit x tends to 0. Oh, let me now check here. So this one was by L'Hospital's rule.
Yes, sir.
L'Hospital's rule. Okay, now we'll check. Put x is equal to 0, so you get e to the power of 0 plus e to the power of 0 minus 2 by 1 plus 0
Yes, sir.
divided by x cos 0 plus sin 0. Okay, so this is 1 plus 1 minus 2, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Sir,
And
0 by 0 form.
0
Yes,
form.
sir.
Cos 0 is 1. Oh, this is 0. Yes. So this is 0 plus
Yes,
0,
sir.
which is again 0 by 0. This is
Yes, sir.
0 by 0 form. Differentiate again. E to the power of x will remain e to the power of x plus this will become minus e to the power of minus x. Differentiation. Minus, how do you differentiate 2 by 1 plus x? First you can take 2 out of the differentiation. Derivative of 1 by or differentiation
Yes,
of
sir.
1 by 1 plus x is minus 1 by 1 plus x whole square
Yes, sir.
into the ddx of 1 plus x,
Yes,
which
sir.
is 1, divided by, now you differentiate this x, ddx of cos
Yes,
x
sir.
is
Yes, sir.
minus sin x plus cos x into
Okay, sir.
ddx of x, which is 1, and ddx of sin x is 1.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I just simplify this and then we'll put the value. Write L'Hospital's rule. Okay, is equal to limit x tends to 0, e to the power of x minus e to the power of minus x plus 2 by 1 plus x whole square divided by,
Sir,
yes,
hello.
tell me.
Sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Sir, you have written two times cos x.
Yes, that is correct, because that is why I'm asking whether you understood the differentiation. X cos x I have differentiated by u into v rule to get this, and this sin x when I differentiate I
Okay,
get
sir.
cos
Now
x.
understood. Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is how.
Okay, sir.
So
Okay,
now
sir.
let us put here x is equal to 0. So you get e to the power of 0 minus e to the power of 0 plus 2 by 1 plus 0 square divided by 2 cos 0 minus 0 into sin 0. Okay, so you get 1 minus 1 plus 2 by 2 minus 0. So you get how much? 3 minus 1, 2 by 2, isn't it? Which is 1. So you can put it here, e to the power of
Yes,
0
sir.
minus e to the power of 0 plus 2 by 1 plus 0 square divided by 2 cos 0 minus 0 into sin 0. And we have calculated the value of this, which is 1. Yeah?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next one. I'll just hold on. Salman. Uh, okay. So see, um, let's do this. Given limit is limit x tends to 0, log 1 minus x square divided by log cos x.
Log cos x. Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see. Let us first put the value. Log 1 minus 0 square by log cos 0. You get what? Log 1 by log 1, which is 0 by 0. So this is clearly a 0 by 0 form. So next step, differentiate. 3dx log 1 minus x square is 1 by 1 minus x square into ddx of 1 minus x square is minus 2x, right? Divided by log cos x. ddx of log cos x is first you differentiate log to get 1 by cos, and then you differentiate cos to get minus sine. So this is minus sine x by cos x. Okay, simplify this and check what form. Limit x tends to 0, minus 2x by 1 minus x square divided by minus cot x. Okay, now
Yes,
let's
sir.
check the minus 2 into 0 divided by 1 minus 0 square divided by minus cot 0. So this is what form? Cot 0 is what? 1 by tan 0, isn't it? The numerator is 0 divided by minus 1 by tan 0, isn't it? And what is tan 0? Tan 0 is 0. Why should I get? Oh, this is not cot. This is tan. Govinda, you are there. Hmm. Again, this is also not cot. This is tan. Govinda, you are there. Uh, they're getting 0 by 0 form actually. This is also a 0 by 0 form. Okay, so again apply L'Hospital's rule. Limit x tends to 0. So clearly this and this 0 they cancel each other. Or differentiate the numerator and the denominator. Okay. How will you differentiate? Differentiate by u into v rule. Take 2 out and then differentiate numerator by u by v rule. So v 1 minus x square into 1 ddx of x minus x into ddx 1 minus x square is minus 2x divided by v square divided by ddx tan x is sec square x. Okay, differentiation done. Let's simplify and then we'll put the value. We'll write here L'Hospital's rule. Okay, so simplify here. What do you get? Twice 1 minus x square plus 2x square. 1 minus x square whole square divided by x square. Now you put x is equal to 0, so you get twice 1 minus 0 plus 2 into 0 divided by 1 minus 0 whole square divided by sec square 0. So how much does it come to? 1 minus twice of 1 minus 0 plus 0 divided by 1, and sec square 0 is 1, right? So it becomes 2. So we have got a determinate form. Put the value twice 1 minus 0 square plus 2 into 0 square divided by 1 minus 0 square whole square divided by sec square 0. This is 2. Okay, we have already found out this is 2 by 1, isn't it? This is 2. Okay, any questions here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Let's do this. Given limit is equal to limit x tends to 0 log tan x by log x. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Again, let's check what form this is first. This is log tan 0 by log 0, and log of tan 0 is 0 divided by log 0, which is infinity by infinity form, right? You cannot cancel log 0. Okay, this is infinity
Okay,
by
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
infinity form. Okay, so this is how you differentiate. Limit x tends to 0. ddx tan x is log tan x is 1 by tan x into ddx tan x, which is sec square x, and ddx log x is 1 by x, L'Hospital's rule. Okay. This becomes sec square x by tan x divided by x. Okay, so now what you can do is you can simplify this also. Limit x tends to 0. Either you can differentiate it the way it is, or otherwise what you can do is you can also write it in this form, divided by x tan x. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
So now you can differentiate once again. Now you check once again what form this is. Put x is equal to 0, you get sec square 0 by 0 into tan 0, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Sir, 0 by 0 form.
No, sec square 0 is 1. Understood?
Sir, 0. Okay, sir.
Log tan
1
x
by 0. That means
by log x. So it's okay. 1 by tan x into sec square x by 1 by x. Sec square x by tan x whole divided by x. And sec square sec square 0 is 1, and 0 into tan 0 is 0. log tan 0. This is okay. Log tan 0 infinity by infinity form. Yes, oh, you have to simplify here. Yes, yes. After applying L'Hospital's rule, okay, you have to change everything to sine and cos and then simplify. So 1 by tan x you get cos x by sin x, right? And 1 by sec square you can write as 1 by cos square x. And this will remain 1 by x. Okay. So limit x tends to 0. This cos will cancel. So you will get 1 by sin x cos x divided by 1 by x. Now you put x is equal to 0. 1 by sin x cos x divided by 1 by x. You put 1 by sin 0 cos 0 by 1 by 0. So 1 by sin 0 is 0. So this is 1 by 0 by 1 by 0, which is infinity by infinity form. So this is what? Infinity by infinity form. But remember, it is easier. How will you differentiate 1 by sin x cos x? First change it to multiple angle formula. Write this as 2 by, don't differentiate first, okay? Change it to multiple angle formula. Then differentiate, it will be easier. You can write it in this way.
Yes, sir.
2 by sin 2x by 1 by x. Okay, so this becomes what? Becomes limit x tends to 0. This becomes 2 cosec 2x by 1 by x. Okay, now you put once again and check 2 cosec 2x by 1 by x. Now you put x is equal to 0. So you get 2 cosec 0 by 1 by 0. This is what? 2 into 1 by sin 0. 1 by 0, which is 2 by 0 by 1 by 0, which is what? Infinity by infinity. So this form is again infinity by infinity form. Okay, so again you differentiate. Okay, you differentiate once
Okay, sir.
again. So ddx of cosec 2x is what? ddx of cosec x is what? Minus cosec x cot x. Okay, into the ddx of cosec 2x, which is ddx of 2x, which is 2x, 2 divided by minus 1 by x square. Okay, now again you check. Hmm. Again you check cosec 0 cot 0 into 2. This is again infinity by infinity form. Okay, cos by sine, cos by sine.